Hello everyone, welcome to Doon Defence International School. DDIS has a huge campus with a big playground in a lush green pollution-free environment. Our integrated multiple intelligence-based curriculum is comprehensive, balanced with innovative ideas. Special emphasis is laid on spoken English so as to provide world-class quality education to groom the students. Highly qualified and experienced dedicated staff motivating and stimulating the students' learning ability. In DDIS, extracurricular activities include music, craft, puppet shows, and various other sports. Imparting knowledge through modern and innovative methods and techniques is an integral part of Doon Defence International School. Preparing students for 21st century by the way of educating them through smart classes. PlayStation, carefully selected play equipments, and activity room for kindergarten. Well-equipped computer and science labs with library is there in the school. Special attention is given to weak students subject-wise. Proper healthcare facilities such as pure drinking water and basic medical aid. English language emerging programs are organized twice a week. Methodology used is easy for the children to adapt. Our curriculum is attractive. We have learning centers in school like English and Hindi language centers, math center, science center, and music center, where students come and use their own intellectuals. Personality development classes are held daily to build the confidence stronger in the students. Physical exercises and yoga are integral part of daily life at DDIS. Doon Defence International School is purely based on pattern of Sainik School. Registration and admission are open. Transport facility available on all routes. Scholarships for meritorious students.